Hello and welcome on Lunettes Original, the leading website of design eyewear. Each year, 600,000 people visit our website. So how can you be on Lunettes Original? It is thanks to the brand page. This is your page presenting the history of your brand with text and visuals. The description is in the brand section below. It comes with 4 tools bringing traffic and visibility. First, the origin page, then 17 universes, then 10 product placements, and finally, a banner to discover your brand. Let's see how this looks on Lunettes Original. First, a presence on the origin page in your country section, right here. For example, let's take Italia. To see it by yourself, click right here. Then, a presence in some of our 17 universes according to your specialty, right here. Design, children, hood, and custom made, for example. We have a lot on Lunettes Original. Let's click this one, for example. Next, 10 product placements displayed in slideshows or fixed visuals, showcasing one models or pack shots. Here is a slideshow. And then fixed visuals. They are also to be chosen according to your specialty. Finally, a banner to discover your brand on a great number of pages on the left and bottom of the page, right here. We guarantee you 2,500 displays every month. So how are you going to follow your visibility? Whatever the importance of your contents on Lunettes Original, Google Data Studio allows you to analyze in real time your visibility anytime you want. Right here. So how does it work? First, you choose your period of observation. Then the number of views your brand gets is reported here. Here is a graphic showing you the variation of your views throughout the year. And finally, the number of views your visuals get with the detail per page, right here. Thank you and see you on Lunettes Original.